So top tips for choosing between sliding and bifold doors. Firstly, there is no right or wrong answer. It is completely up to you and it is completely what fits best with your project. In terms of why customers choose bifold doors, now typically it's because they want the ability to slide and stack the doors to one end to create a completely unobstructed opening, which is what bifold doors are perfect for. There's absolutely no doubt that bifold doors look better open. The downside of bifold doors is that the panels are slightly narrower, the frames are slightly thicker, but that's the trade-off that customers are willing to accept for that ability to extend their living space out onto the patio into the garden. So why choose sliding doors? Well, sliding doors typically are chosen because of the big glass panels and minimal frames. Panels can be up to 3 meters wide, and sightlines, the intermediate frame between the glass, as small as just 20 millimeters. Now, what that gives you is that gives you huge expanses of glass, which is perfect for maximizing the view out, for filling your room full of light, and it breaks down the boundaries between inside and out, even when the doors are closed. So in terms of making your decision, the key questions that you probably need to ask yourself is, realistically, how often are you going to have the doors open? If the game is to have them open as much as possible, then bifold doors are probably the right choice for you. If actually you're appreciative in this climate with the British weather that you're probably going to have them closed, then the bigger panels and slimmer frames of sliding doors might be more perfectly suited for you. In terms of how big your opening is as well, that's also a key consideration. The larger you go, now more typically we would see sliding doors being installed, particularly when you get above 4.5 or 5 meters. And the other thing is, what is the view like out of your house? Are you looking to maximize it? Are you looking to perfectly frame it? In which case the narrow sightlines of sliding doors probably slightly win it on that account. The other option that does exist, which is in IDSystems exclusive, is the slide and turn doors. They have a minimal sightlines of 45 millimeters, but with the ability to open up a complete aperture like bifold doors. So for some, they're the perfect third option.